Please help find the air filter in Tempstar furnace and how to replace it. The furnace is inside a closet and has an access panel with a knob at the top, as pictured. I do not have the manual and can't figure out how to take off the panel, if I even need to. Tempstar 327558 to 101 Rev B. Additional photo of closet side.
HI. Based on the photos you sent, the black no on top is a quick lock 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock the front panel. Once unlocked, the entire panel should tilt forward then lift out. Be careful as it is easy to bend the panel and it also has sharp edges. Once open, it will need to be lifted high enough to clear the gas line. Normally the filter will be way down on the bottom under the blower. This will either be a stock size filter or a washable type cut to size. Once the panel is open, there should be some diagrams on the panel or inside the unit. Make, model number, type, etc., and perhaps info as to where and how to remove and install the filters. Hello. Thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is. I will be assisting you today as well as trying to find a quick and simple solution to your specific question. Please understand that not all things can be resolved at home or in the way we might hope. Some may need closer inspection and intervention, others are simply not feasible or advised. However, all my responses are designed to be helpful, insightful, and any guidance or suggestions are based from the information that you have provided on your post above, with the intent of trying to save you time, money, and headaches. I have found in many cases it has always been better if we can establish an effective way of communicating, since either of us may have some additional information or questions that may be necessary in resolving the problem you are experiencing. Therefore, I will kindly ask that while your question is open to check your email, as I may send you updates or I may need additional information to help answer your question. Also, uploading clear photos will greatly help us both. However, if you feel I have not been very helpful or the answer I provided was not what you were expecting, then please do not rate me bad or poorly, 1 or 2 stars. It is best for both of us if you just ask me again to continue looking for more information or another possible solution. If I am unable to provide a better response, I can OPT out of your question, which will open it up for another expert that might be able to provide more assistance on this issue. Keep in mind that once I have been rated, it does not end our conversation. You can always come back later and ask me a follow-up question if you believe it has relevance on this issue. Please note that there is only so much I can do from my computer, and I may not be able to help you resolve or fix this problem, especially if it becomes apparent that a qualified service provider should be contacted to perform additional testing, diagnosing, troubleshooting, and has the required tools to make the necessary repairs. I appreciate your understanding and cooperation of these requests. If you have any additional information you would like to add, just let me know and I will see if I can locate some more solutions to this question.
Thanks for telling me how to open the access door, but no air filter visible and the floor doesn't seem to be openable. Any idea on how to make progress?
Okay, I believe I have an answer to the filters. It took some time, but I believe this particular model uses external filters rather than traditional internal filter under the blower. What this means is you need to locate the largest vent in the house. This is where all the air noise will be coming from, and the air will be drawing into this vent rather than the smaller vents having air blow outward. Most likely behind this vent you will find your filter. Note it may require some tools to remove the vent unless they were nice and installed one with similar quick releases. Dave.
That was it. The vent was on the other side of the closet and needed flat heads to open. After opening it, I found a washable air filter stuffed up there, not really cut to fit. I vacuumed the dirt off of it and put it back. Now to research a new air filter. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.